Hello, welcome back to Project Clark 123. As you can see, primered. That one's sanded down, so is that one, but I've just primered that again. Just a quick tip. Pardon me. Get this one. Because it shows every bit of rough spot that you could see once it's dry, basically. It's a really good product, to be fair. Yeah. So that's them. I need to have another go of this, because as you can see, it's reacted or something's fucked up. But I'm learning. So yeah, that's all good. There it is again. I went over it, you said I've done a good job, which is good. I've just got to give it another sand down. The paint's coming in for these bits Monday. So, hoo-hoo. Thank you, everyone. Can we have a like, subscribe, and a comment? Peace out. Bye-bye.